Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection page. So this video is specific for Gecko theme. If you have any other theme, then you can also explore the playlist which I have created on my YouTube channel. So I have created a lot of codes with different themes. If you still don't able to find it, you can ask me. I will definitely help you out in creating new code. So here on my screen, you can see that I have this collection page, and in this collection page, I have a lot of products with multiple variants, but only single color is displaying. For example, I am clicking on this product, and here you can see that we have a lot of other color variants which are displaying here. But on the collection page, we can only see a single variant. So how we can display multiple variants on collection pages? So let me show you step by step. So firstly, you should go to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed Gecko theme. So this is the latest version. If you have any other version, then still it will support. If you have any other theme, then you can explore my playlist. So you will find the relevant code. And first thing you should do is you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme. Once you are duplicating it, then you can actually click on these three dots again and click on edit code. And here you will see that we have some files and folders. So we are going to proceed with the documentation. I have already given the link below in the description. So you should download the documentation along with other codes. So you will find these four files and you should open document.txt. So inside of this file, I have already given a lot of steps which you need to follow in this video. So let me show you the first step. The first step is that you need to create a new snippet, and the name of that snippet is color-variant, and paste the attached code. So I'm going to copy this name and going back to the theme, and here you can see that we have layout, templates, sections, blocks, and snippets. You need to click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, and then paste the name here, which is color-variant, and then you can click on done. And then you will find out that we have an empty file here. We are going to find the code which I have attached. So you can see we have color-variant.txt. You need to open this complete file and copy the complete code, and then after you should paste it inside of this file. Once you are pasting that code, then you can actually save the changes. Now the changes are saved, and we are going to close this file. Going back to the documentation, we have the second step, which is create another new snippet. Name of that snippet will be color-product-grid-item. So I'm going to copy the name from here and then going to create a new snippet, which is here. Click on add a new snippet, paste the name here, and then click on done. So it will also create a empty file. So you should go back and find the attached code, which is color-product-grid-item. You just need to open this code, copy the complete code, and then after you should paste that attached code and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can close this file again and go back to the documentation. We have to create another new snippet in the third step. So that name is color-product-img. So you should copy this name and then go back and click on add a new snippet, paste the name here, and then click on done. Once it is done, then you can see that we have an empty file here. Again, we need to go back and need to open that file which is having the code attached, which is color-product-img. So you should copy this complete code, and then after you should go back, and here you need to paste it and save the changes. Once the changes are saved, you can close this, and then after go back to the next step, which is go to sections and open main-collection.liquid. So you should copy the name from here and search that file here. So here you can see that we have main-collection.liquid. You need to open this file and then scroll a little bit down. You will find out that we have some code which is related to product-grid-item. So I'm having 7 lines of code, which is product-grid-item 1, item 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I need to replace this complete code with color-variant. So let me show you how you will do that. You should select this. I am going to delete all these. You can do it one by one, and then after let me delete that, and I am going to write color-variant. Once you have added color dash variant, then you can actually save the changes. And that's it. Now you can go back to the collection page and let me refresh it now. Here we go. Now you can see that we have this collection page, and you can see that we have multiple colors. We only had one color earlier, but now we have all the colors which are displaying here. So you can see that we have all the different colors which are available on this collection. So that's how you can actually display all the color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So if you are facing any issue or something, you can ask me directly. I have already given the contact details below in the description. So feel free to ask me the questions, and you can also comment me in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And I have also created a WhatsApp group which you can also join. I have sometime I share the content on that WhatsApp group sometime, so you can be in touch with me. If you have anything related to customization, for example, you wanted to create a custom section, or maybe you need a design related changes, so you can directly contact me. I will definitely help you out in solving that problem. So I do customization related to coding and create new functionalities in the store to boost up the sales and make it more attractive. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.